Tonight, the man accused of driving into Waukesha's Christmas parade, Darrell Brooks, is being held on a $5 million cash bail, much higher than the $1,000 cash bond he was given just 18 days ago for a domestic violence case.
That first decision put Brooks back on the streets and ultimately led to the deaths of 6 people. The I-Team digs into the data to understand how and why bail amounts are decided.
It was about 3 weeks ago that Darrell Brooks was accused of running over the mother of his child with his car. So how was he able to get out of jail a week and a half later? Darrell Brooks paid a $1,000 cash bond to get out of jail just 10 days before he allegedly drove his car through the Waukesha Christmas parade, killing 6. Something Milwaukee County District Attorney John Chisholm called inappropriately low. Defense attorney Julius Kim of Kim and Lavoie agrees it was not a high enough bail.
In terms of setting bail, all domestic violence cases are kind of a crapshoot, in all honesty, because it's hard to figure out when someone may do something incredibly drastic later on down the line.
The prosecutor in Brooks's Milwaukee County case recommended the $1,000 bail. The I-Team combed over all of this ADA's 2021 domestic abuse cases and found dozens of cases where bail was set under $1,000, including 45 felony cases. We also found 16 cases where the recommended bond was over $5,000.
I don't think it's fair or good to try and pinpoint an issue on a specific assistant DA, for instance, in this particular case.
Kim says a number of factors likely went into Brooks's bail in the Milwaukee domestic abuse case. An overcrowded jail trying to navigate COVID cases inside, coupled with delays in the court process, likely led to that decision. Add to that, limited resources and rising crime rates.
There's only a certain amount of beds in the county jail. There's only a certain amount of space in the county jail. And I think that everyone's got to be selective in terms of what cases deserve high cash bail and what cases you might have to take more of a risk on.
Kim says under the law, bail isn't a monetary hurdle meant to keep people behind bars. Rather, more of a security deposit to ensure the person shows up to their court date.
The primary purpose of bail under the law is to set a bail amount, a cash bail amount, to ensure a person's return to court. That's it, nothing more.
The DA's office says they're conducting an internal review of that decision, and the Milwaukee County Board of Supervisors wants them to share it with them and the public in an effort to be more transparent. The Board of Supervisors has a meeting scheduled for next week, although the DA's office says they don't have a timeline for when they expect to finish this investigation. Reporting for the I-Team, I'm Sean Gallagher.